Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're having fun at home. I hope you're doing all your homework, you're sharing with your family, you're taking care of yourselves, and washing your hands very, very well. For theater, I'm going to send you two activities. They're optional, they're just to do something different. I know you've been doing a lot of homework, so I'm going to show them through two videos. I hope you have fun and you can teach them to your parents and your brothers or sisters. Okay, so the first activity consists in you have to count until 3. You're going to work with someone else. Your partner is going to stand up in front of you. So the first person is going to say 1, the second 2, then the first person 3, and so on. I'm going to show you an example with my favorite students that are my parents. So as I told you, you have to stand up one person in front of the other, or not stand up, but be in front of the other person, and then you're going to start. So please go on.
Okay.
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3.
Faster.
2, 2. Oh.
So that's the activity. They did it a bit slow, so you can do it faster and you can have a lot of fun. Sometimes you can get confused, but that's the idea. You have to get focused, concentrate, and have fun. The next activity, as you have done it before in class, is the mirror activity. So this time you're going to do it with someone of your family. It can be your parents or sisters, brothers, and as well you can do it in front of a mirror. So you can compare how is the experience between doing it in the mirror with your family and as you have done it before with a classmate. How do you feel better? And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to show it again with my parents.